Struggling to choose between Bluehost versus 𝗨𝗡𝗟𝗏? If you are looking for affordable but reliable hosting, then both Bluehost and 𝗨𝗨𝗏𝗏 have probably caught your eye. These entry-level hosts both offer a range of hosting plans, features, and functionality at low prices, and are great options for those who own small blogs and business sites. In this 𝗨𝗨𝗏𝗏 versus Bluehost comparison, we will consider 5 criteria to see how these two budget hosts stack up: features, pricing, ease of use, support, performance. By the end of this post, you will have a good idea of which hosting provider is the best fit for your project. Let's get started. Two shared hosting specialists, 𝗨𝗨𝗏𝗏 and Bluehost, take slightly different approaches when it comes to constructing a user-friendly hosting platform. 𝗨𝗨𝗏𝗏, which is home to roughly 25 million websites, emphasizes speedy solid-state drives and cloud-based infrastructure. Bluehost, however, takes a more methodical, nuanced approach by offering a wider range of services and optimizations geared for WordPress and WooCommerce users, among others. Bluehost has the reputation and name recognition, while 𝗨𝗨𝗏𝗏 has a more modern network. If you want to get a cheap web hosting service, then you can choose 𝗨𝗨𝗏𝗏, otherwise choose Bluehost.